Welcome to Woodland Hill, a new community by Riverside Homes in a fantastic Cooper Mountain location. It's convenient to Mountainside High School, Progress Ridge, Cooper Mountain Nature Park, and much more. Featuring 22 high-quality homes, you'll find floor plans ranging from just over 2,000 to nearly 2,600 square feet. Discover designer touches throughout, a gas fireplace with tile surround, high ceilings, and tons of natural light. The luxurious kitchen includes quartz countertops, a large island, stainless steel appliances, and contemporary fixtures. You'll also find a convenient mudroom. The primary suite is a spacious, relaxing retreat with natural light and a sumptuous bath with fine finishes, a soaking tub, tiled shower, and a walk-in closet. The upstairs loft area is a great flexible space for gatherings, TV, or a playroom. A thoughtfully designed floor plan that can be tailored to fit your lifestyle. By the additional bedrooms, you'll find another guest bath and a convenient laundry room. Innovative design and high-quality craftsmanship in a fantastic Cooper Mountain location. You'll find it all here in Woodland Hill, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.